Okay, so if you look at this week, the focus will be, top priority will be the New Zealand dollar, followed by euro and dollar. Right, so these will be the 3 key currencies that I'm looking out for. Okay, so with that understanding, usually what I'll do is I'll just go over to the chart. Right, and because I know right now that New Zealand is the top priority, what I'll do is, of course, I'll focus on all my New Zealand currency first. Okay, and then naturally the first one will be Kiwi dollar lah. Okay, so let me bring you to the daily time frame. Okay, so for students, this is a recap. Okay, so if you look at daily time frame, what is your bias? Up. Short term? Down. Okay, so the idea here is, if I ask you this week, that means trade opportunity for this week, is it up or down? Down, right? Okay, so why is it down? Is because you see this. This is an impulse move, and then this is your correction. Okay, every time we see this, we expect one more move down. Okay, so we expect 3 move. Let me change color. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this week for New Zealand, especially New Zealand against the US dollar, we'll be expecting a bearish bias on Kiwi. Okay, so this one here, if you want to trade on daily time frame, okay, you can trade on it because this setup here is pretty clear. This ABC, you can measure it, it actually has completed the minimum expectation, right? So you either trade a pending limit here. If you are pending limit order, you already entered. You should already have entered this trade. If you are breakout order, you just trade the breakout of this pattern. Yeah. If you are a smaller time frame trader, 4 hour, okay, you can look at this. Okay, this is the trend. Okay, what would be an ideal scenario for this is for this market to continue dropping and then it consolidate here, form a correction before your RBNZ rate statement on Thursday. Okay, so what is going to happen is we want the RBNZ rate statement on Thursday to be the catalyst to push price. Okay, and our expectation is for it to go down, which means that if I'm looking to buy Kiwi, I won't be looking at New Zealand dollar. That means New Zealand against the US dollar. In this currency pair itself, my only bias is to look for sell. Yeah, I think all of you will be very clear on this setup. Ideally, we want to see this forming before New Zealand RBNZ. Let me remove this. Before New Zealand RBNZ, I want to see this, which presents a very good setup. Okay, if before Thursday, okay, price does this. Okay, it comes down, but it gives a strong move up. Do we have a trade? We don't have a trade. Okay, so what you need to know is you also need to identify whether price development gives you a proper setup. Okay, so if it does this and it goes like this on before Thursday RBNZ, I won't be looking to sell it. Okay, I'll be either looking for a very quick buy or I'll just not do nothing about it. Okay, so ideally what I want on this pair before RBNZ is this setup. So I'll draw it again. I want this to come down and I want it to consolidate at this trend line. If I see this, I will have a very nice short